Hello! Hi beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. How are you doing, my lovely subscribers? Hope you are all good. You're highly welcome to Linda Michaels TV. I am Linda. I'm hosting you today again to show you some of the unboxing videos. Now we got many new things, not many, can we say many? A few things that are new from Lidl again. And I want to share them with you to let you see how Lidl is improving. I love these products of theirs and I do get them, so I want to share them with you. Some of them are baking stuff you use in baking, and some are just household stuff. Okay, so I want to share them with you. If you are new to this channel, you're highly welcome, and make yourself part of this family by subscribing, clicking the subscribe button and turning on the notification bell so you'll be seeing all my videos. Okay, all my OGs, I thank you very much. I love you guys who are watching my videos, coming to see me and tune in and comment, interact, like. God bless you all. Okay, now let's dive into the video. Here we have the knife, guys. This is the first thing we're gonna be unboxing, but I don't think I'll be opening this knife. There is no need for that. I'll open it when I need to open and use it. Okay, so as you can see, it has 4 knives here for cutting bread and cakes and all that, and for cooking, doing your stuff. They're beautiful, good for baking and pastries. Yeah, they're very nice. So I know you will like it too. I like it. Now here I have overdoor hook. Yeah, it's a hook. You hang it over your door, and if you hold your coats, your mufflers, your scarf, your cap, anything you can use outdoors. Like in winter now, we have additional things to our dressing. We always put on coats after dressing up, and you can wear your hat and your scarf. So this will be so handy for you. So if you wouldn't like to take it to your room, on coming back, over your door, you can hang them there. So, and it has up to 8 spaces, so I think it's very wise. Like, it will occupy your space when you place it. We call it attaccapani in Italy, hanger. If you put it in a position, it will occupy a space, but hanging it over your door makes it more helpful and easy to save space. So I think it's a wise one to buy. Yeah. Here I have this. I just saw this and I liked it. I took it just to hang some photos. When you print some photos, what's the size? 10, yeah, 15 by 10. Either vertical or horizontal photos, you can save them here. You can make a beautiful design on the wall too. Yeah, that is it. The next thing, the next item for unboxing. Guys, all these don't need unboxing like that. Clean and clear, you're seeing them from the packet. Now this is my mug tray. Yeah, mug tray. I have this mug tray, a stainless type, and that stainless type I don't think is strong enough. So when I saw this quality, you can see the quality here. So I have to unbox this so you see the inside. I think getting it makes sense to me because I really need it. Yeah, those save space for putting your cups, maybe placing them on a tray or a holder, a basket that will occupy your table for you. If you can hang 6 cups straight, saving your space, it makes sense. So I already have something like this, but this one looks stronger, guys. It looks stronger, so I can't wait. I've bought these things you are seeing here for getting to a month, no chance to use them. I said, okay, let me just try and unbox them so I can start using my stuff. Okay, so this is Good, I like it. I can't wait to place my mugs on them. Yeah. Coming to the second to the last, this is a baking stuff, and you can also use it in while making your creams or soaps, anything that needs measurement. You know, you can also use it to measure your meat, like when you are cutting your meat, maybe you need to go by kilos or by meals. This will give it to you. So it's a digital scale. Yeah, it has 3 jobs. It counts in meals and it also counts in kilos depending on what you put inside. Okay, it's a good buy. Let me just open it. Yeah, here is it, guys. Okay, I have to fill it in with the battery, those tiny batteries. Yeah, I have to fill it in. Let me see. Okay, it didn't come with any battery. Alright, no props. It didn't come with any battery. I'm gonna buy the finger battery, the tiny ones, and I'm gonna put it here and it starts working. So when baking, you can go according to your measurements, how many grams, how many meals. After, you can use it as the mixing bowl. You know, you can use it as the bowl and do your mixing at once if you would like, or you just, after putting everything, just turn them into your mixing bowl and do your thing. So that's another addition to my kitchen. Now the main thing the main thing that made me try to do this unboxing today, in order not to waste more time, is this. I have to start using it without wasting time, man. I have things to do with this. I have videos to make with it. So let's unbox this and see. Whew. This is a food processor and it's a blender. It's also a whisker. It can chop in food processing. It can blend and it can whisk for you. So it's 3-in-1. It's from Silvercrest. You guys know I love Silvercrest products. Here is the Silvercrest kitchen tools and hand blender set. 3-in-1, blends, wicks and chops. It does 3 things. So I wish these things will have good quality, these cups. I pray. So let's see the inside. Now this is the first one, the hand blender. I have this hand blender. I unboxed it in my Silvercrest collections. Yeah, so this is another type of a stainless one, you know, that came with this one. It came with the pack, so I'm not having them too. I enjoy it. So let's see the cups and the vase. Okay, this is the mug, will I say the cup, whatever, for making shakes. When you want to make shakes, that's the one here. So you put your stuff inside and you blend through. I wish it comes in a glass form so it can last, but it's still all good. Okay, this is the food processor. This one is the chopper. It can chop, process, and mix. It looks good. Looks really good. Yeah. Yeah, guys, this is also the whisker. Yeah. You fix this to this, and this to this. Then you whisk your stuff. Your ice cream and whatever. Your cake, your shakes, your heavy cream. So this is the method you mix this, okay? So I have 3 stuffs in one, guys. I think it's good. Alright, if you want to process something, this one will fit into this to chop or mix whatever you want. So I really need this for chopping and mixing and blending some stuff. That's it. This one also goes into this one. Then you can use this into this. So this is the main deal. This is the main deal for this video for me. Other items, I really like them and I got them almost on the same day. So I said, let me just show you guys to feed your eyes. I know this is buying time, so if you like any of them, they are there in Lidl. So many stuff. You can use them as gifts to your relatives, you know, and to your friends and loved ones. So thank you for watching this video. You're gonna be seeing this in my videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you for hanging around till this time. I appreciate you all, my lovely subscribers, all my newcomers. God bless you all. And to all my OGs, so much love to you guys, and see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. There are so many good things that are coming up in this December period. I have to bring out so many good stuff, delicacies that we will put on your table. Okay, that's why I'm unboxing this stuff so I can use them to process my videos. See you guys. Bye bye.